Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So guys, today our topic is 10 business ideas to make easy money and change the world. So before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you can get the latest videos. Let's get started. Up and coming generations have become increasingly conscious of the world issues and they are motivated to make a difference from being bad consumers to having a positive impact on the environment, playing a role to help underdeveloped countries having their say in politics, lending their services to help others, and even sharing their knowledge to educate those in need. More is being done to make the world a better place. Number one is the creating chatbots. While initially dismissed as a marketing fad, chatbots have shown themselves to be incredible, valuable to business of all kind in various capacities. Building awareness and empathy, polling public sentiment, driving civic engagement, helping fight power pollution, distributing accurate public health information, encouraging health living, offering people consulting. There are many chatbot building platforms that allow you to build bots in a matter of minutes without the need of any coding knowledge. Number two is the online fundraising consultant. If you have a background in finance and experience in sales, you could put both these skills to good use by starting your own fundraising consultant business for charities. You will need to choose the types of charities you want to work with and get network to create relationship with those you feel most passionate about. All you need to do is prove them that you can create and implement well-defined as efficient fundraising programs. Number three is educational blogging. Do you read blogs to get answer to your question? Do you have a particular knowledge base that could come in handy to others? Maybe you are an expert in all things travel, language, or eco-friendly living, weather, whatever it is. You can share it with others for free. You all need to do is choose a free blog template and writing regular posts. From there, you can read upon the various ways you could make a living writing about something you love. Some ways you could make an income include but are not limited. Teaching online. Similar to blogging, if you have a particular set of skills, then why not teach them to others? You will be providing a service to people, helping them better themselves, writing while making people you could tutor college students, take a language, teach someone how to do their taxes, set up an online courses on how to start a small business, create a YouTube channel to educate people on healthy living. Green app developer. People who want to go green often do not know where to start, so why not help them out? If you know how to develop web and mobile applications, you could create one that tells user how they can adopt a greener way of living. You could either make an application that discusses sustainability as a whole, or you could focus on needs such as energy conservation, recycling, buying and making eco-friendly products, green living at home at work. You may not have thought about is about Uber drivers are saving the world one step at a time. It's an easy career to start and do. As an Uber driver, you are encouraging riders share and ensuring people to show your area and getting to where they need to be safely. You would also be delivering food which would reduce fuel emission. Number seven is social crowdfunding. Similar to micro-lending platforms, social crowdfunding is where social entrepreneurs find funding for their projects. You could create a social crowdfunding platform that links humanitarian projects to those willing to fund them instead of charging high interest rates and fees. They are offered a promise in return of their monetary investment. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel so you can get the latest videos on our channel. So thank you so much. Goodbye.